Okay, so we've talked about implicit conversions and explicit conversions, but like I said before, let's say we wanted to have a string called myString, and we make it equal to 10. And then we have an int, myInt equals myString. This is not going to work. The reason it's not going to work is because there is no implicit conversions between integers and strings in C#. In fact, there are no explicit conversions between integers and strings in C#. See, it says cannot cast expression of type string to type int. Now you might be wondering, well, why don't they add that ability in? The reason is that it's not that strings can potentially contain more or less data than an int. It's that strings may potentially not even be an int at all. Because of that, the C# compiler team decided to not allow the implicit or explicit conversions between strings to integers or any other numeric or Boolean type. So how do we do this? Well, you guys have already actually seen the answer to this. We have a variety of parse methods. So we can say int.parse, myString. Int.parse is not a cast. It isn't an implicit conversion. It isn't an explicit conversion. It is a conversion, though, but it's done through the invocation of a method. This method understands how to take strings and turn them into integers.